Tridevi, the trinity of supreme power known as Shakti. They are a group of three Devis who are related to Trimurti. They are Ma Saraswati, Ma Lakshmi, and Ma Parvati. They are told to be feminine Trimurti, the feminine version of Trimurti, as their role is similar to that of Trimurti, meaning Brahma as creator, Lord Vishnu as preserver, and Lord Shiv as destroyer. And in Tri Devi, we see the same as Ma Saraswati as creator, Ma Lakshmi as preserver, and Ma Parvati as destroyer. So come on, today let's discuss about Tridevis. So hello everyone, this is Sridhant who is presenting today's new video titled The Information of Tridevi. So let's quickly begin our topic. So first, let's start with Mahalakshmi. Ma Lakshmi is Devi of wealth, prosperity and fortune. They are embodiment of love and beauty. They are consort of Lord Vishnu. They are many times shown with wealth, either symbolically pouring out of their one hand or by simply holding a jar of money through which money or in form of gold coins it's pouring out of that jar with one or two elephants beside them. Mahalakshmi is referred to as Devi of fortune and money, regarded as wife of Lord Vishnu. Mahalakshmi personifies wealth, richness, happiness and loveliness. Just to know more about Mahalakshmi, there is a very nice story. So I shall narrate the story to you. So once upon a time, there lived four men. All the four men had a lot of wealth. They had a lot of wealth, fortune, and gold with them. But after a year, from four, three men suddenly became poor, and one man had 10 times more wealth than other four once had before a year. Then, when Narad Muni were roaming around, the three men asked them for help and asked Narad Muni that why the three of them suddenly became poor. So then Narad Muni said that you, the first person, he did keep his house clean, but his mind was dirty. So because of which Mahalakshmi got angry with him and they left his home. Then the second person told, my mind is clean. Then why Mahalakshmi left me and went? Then Narad Muni said, yeah, your mind is clean, but your house is dirty. So Mahalakshmi became angry and left your house. Then the third man said, both my mind and my house are clean. Then why did Mahalakshmi left me and went? Then Narad Muni said, though your house and mind is clean, your surrounding persons and your body is not clean. So that's the reason Mahalakshmi became angry and went. Then Narad Muni went to the fourth person who had 10 times more wealth and congratulated him, saying that you have everything clean around you. Your surrounding is clean, your house is clean, your body is clean, and also your mind and house is clean. So that's the reason we should keep our surroundings clean. Means surroundings including our homes clean. Means Ma Lakshmi will enter our home with very much wealth and prosperity. Now the second Devi among the three Devi is Ma Saraswati. They are Devi of knowledge, education, learning, arts, speech, poetry, music, purification, language, and culture. They are linked to the creator, Lord Brahma, as a creation. Ma Saraswati holds significance in religious and symbolic value to guide a person through the way of knowledge, skills, and education. Their Vahan is a white swan. They have four hands, each depicting a book, a mala, a water pot, and a musical instrument. So basically, Ma Saraswati personifies education's skills and our culture. Now, the third and last among Tridevi is Ma Parvati. Ma Parvati is Devi of love and devotion with creative force known as Shakti. Ma Parvati is regarded as Lord Shiv's Shakti or wife. They are told to be mother of this whole universe. They are known for their devotion to Lord Shiv, and Ma Parvati is incarnation of Ma Sati, the first wife of Lord Shiv. Also, they are known for unleashing their true power and strength in the times of crisis. So, with this information, this is Tridan signing off, thus completing the small information of Tridevi. Thank you.